Hello guys, today I am unboxing CA Swapnil Patni classes EISM books. This subject is taught by CA Swapnil Patni sir. So the first book is EIS Rocks. This book has covered all the syllabus of EIS in summary form and it is good for revision for the day before exam. We move on to the next books. So now we have SM chart book. This book has covered all the syllabus of SM in the chart form. It is also good for the revision after the first reading. Now we have EIS SM question bank. It has covered all the questions for both the books. Then we have SM big wall charts. It has also covered all the syllabus of SM in the chart form, and this is also good for revision purpose again for the day before exams. Around 3 charts are there. All the charts are for SM only. Then we have SM module 1, which has covered study material content. Then we have SM module 2. All the notes are colorful and the glossy papers. Then we have EIS module 1, again colorful notes. Then we have EIS module 2. And at last we have SM Rocks, which has covered all the SM syllabus in the summary manner, and it is good for revision purpose the day before exam. Thanks for watching.